Tired of Valorant feeling like you're playing through molasses? Let's jump right in with in-game settings first. Go to your video settings under General. Turn on Limit FPS. Always set your FPS limit to the refresh rate of your monitor. For example, 144 or 240 next. In graphics quality, start by selecting low for all settings, including material quality, texture quality, detail quality and UI quality. Adjust shadows and effects quality to off or the lowest. Using higher render resolution can cause lag, so match the resolution with your native resolution or lower it. Next, let's move on to drivers. Upgrading your graphics drivers is crucial. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, check for upgrades. In the GeForce Experience app, AMD users can seek their upgrades from the AMD software Adrenalin Edition. Newer drivers often include performance improvements for specific games, meaning a smoother Valorant experience. Finally, system optimizations. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing Valorant. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open the task manager to see what's running and end tasks taking up your memory. Make sure your system is using its maximum power to play Valorant. In the Windows search bar, type power plan and select choose a power plan. Choose high performance or ultimate performance. Implementing these methods, you'll be fragging with no problem. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!